Part 3. Performing Good Deeds. The Chabad Mission, Spreading Light and Goodness. The Chabad movement in particular views the universal observance of the Noahide laws as a prerequisite for the Messianic era. Therefore, they encourage Noahides to become active partners in their own universal mission. 1. Be a light to the nations. The Rebbe emphasized that it is the duty of every human being to promote a life of morality based on the Noahide laws. A Noahide performs a tremendous good deed by influencing others in their environment, friends, family, community, to learn about and abide by the 7 laws. 2. Promoting peace and unity. Every act of a goodness and morality by a Noahide helps to counter the forces of lawlessness, atheism, and chaos in the world, bringing humanity closer to the ultimate goal of global peace and a unified recognition of the Creator. In essence, according to this perspective, a Noahide helps people and performs good deeds by embracing the 7 laws as a moral foundation, and then building upon it a life rich with voluntary acts of kindness, charity, and active participation in making their own corner of the world a more just and God-conscious place. I'm Irv Ferguson with the Noahide.com.